Welcome to MBBS Council. We provide MBBS counseling admission guidance. In this video, we will see the last opportunity available for candidates expecting below borderline marks for All India quota counseling. You might have already seen lots of videos on expected 2022 cutoff for All India quota government medical colleges. For unreserved, OBC and EWS candidates, the expected cutoff is between 600 and 590. This expected cutoff is stray round counseling or fourth round NCC counseling cutoff. You need to know cutoff for all round of counseling to make better decision during counseling. I will release video shortly on expected cutoff for all rounds of NEET 2022 All India Counseling. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notified. You would have already calculated your expected NEET 2022 score by checking the answer keys released by top coaching institutes. If your expected score is 590 and you belong to high competitive states, you should apply for other state counseling, apart from applying for All India Counseling and your native state counseling. High competitive states are the ones which have closing cutoff higher than the All India cutoff. Some of the high competitive states are Rajasthan, Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, etc. If you belong to any one of the high competitive states, then you need to apply for other state counseling for open management quota seats. If you could not get in government colleges, apply for Kerala State Counselling. This will ensure that you get MBBS seat in private college that charge the lowest tuition fees. To know the list of states which have open management quota seats, its cutoff and fees, install MBBS Counselling Android App from Google Play Store. Link is given in the description below. Kerala State Counselling Authority, which is Commissioner for Entrance Examinations, have open NEET counselling registration for MBBS and BDS courses for Kerala candidates and other state candidates. Kerala private medical colleges charge lowest tuition fees compared to other states. Tuition fees ranges between 6 lakhs per year and 8 lakhs per year. Many candidates from high competitive states who are expecting borderline marks apply for Kerala NEET counselling. If the cutoff shoots up very high during first round counselling compared to last year cutoff, then you can decide to pick private colleges in Kerala State Counselling for lowest tuition fees. In general, private colleges in India charges between 12 lakhs per year tuition fees to 60 lakhs per year tuition fees. Go to ce.kerala.gov.in website and click the new applications link. On the right hand side you can see the registration link. The last date for MBBS and BDS counseling registration is 26th July 2022. Just few days left. Counseling registration fees is 500 rupees. You can refer prospectus as well as frequently asked question before applying for Kerala State Counselling. After the NEET 2022 results are announced by National Testing Agency, you will be asked to enter your NEET score details. After that, you will be asked to do choice filling. You will be given opportunity to do the choice filling only once during the first round counseling. Make sure that you analyze the quality of colleges by comparing details such as hospital beds, average patient flow, number of postgraduate courses, and super specialty courses, etc. You can find these details in MBBS Council Android App. MBBS Council App contains 7 must-have counseling tools which will guide you throughout the NEET counseling for both All India Counseling as well as state counseling. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you have any doubts regarding MBBS admission counseling, comment below. I will see you in another video.